So here to break down the new superfoods for what we hope is a super year is dietitian, founder of Nutritious Life, and friend of our show for a long time. This is Carrie Glassman. Carrie, take it away.
Charcoal. Right here we have charcoal. It's trendy right now, so I want to educate people on it, but it's not necessarily one of the superfoods like some of these that I would say, yes, 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 go add in. You don't necessarily need it, but people need to know what it's about. So first of all, it is not the charcoal from your barbecue. So do not go and eat the barbecue. Charcoal comes from the pits of the olive or coconut shells or wood, and it's heated at a high temperature and processed to become active. So it's activated charcoal is what you can eat. And so I'm gonna pour this in here because what happens is when it activates, it creates all these small pores. And those pores, when you consume it, actually act like a sponge and
They
grab those
out,
toxins.
right.
But you do want to be careful because if you're on medication, for example,
Right.
it might suck out that medication.
I was gonna say,
you have
it could
to
also
speak to
take
your
out
doctor.
the value
Exactly.
of what is in your body.
If you're eating all these superfoods, healthy, whole foods, fruits and vegetables, and you're getting your water in, and you're getting your fiber in, your kidneys, your GI tract,
You don't
your
need
liver.
to detox.
Exactly. They're all detoxing for you.